Material science test questions. Question 1. Body-centered cubic structure has an atomic packing factor equal to A. 0.74, B. 0.68, C. 0.52, D. None of the above.
Answer: 0.68.
Question 2. In which type of point defect, positive and negative ions are missing from the crystal? A. Vacancy defect, B. Interstitial defect, C. Schottky defect, D. Substitutional defect.
Answer: Schottky defect.
Question 3. What is meant work hardening process? A. Ductile materials are deformed plastically at temperatures below crystalline temperatures, which increases strength and hardness of the material. B. Ductile materials are deformed plastically at temperatures above crystalline temperatures, which increases strength and hardness of the material. C. Ductile materials are deformed plastically at crystalline temperatures, which increases strength and hardness of the material. D. None of the above.
Answer: Ductile materials are deformed plastically at temperatures below crystalline temperatures, which increases strength and hardness of the material.
Question 4. What are thermoplastics? A. They are non-linear polymers, in which rise in temperature increases plasticity. B. They are linear polymers, in which rise in temperature increases plasticity. C. They are linear polymers, in which temperature rise has no effect on plasticity. D. None of the above.
Answer: They are linear polymers, in which rise in temperature increases plasticity.
Question 5. What happens when thermosetting polymers are heated? A. They become soft. B. They are deformed. C. They become rigid. D. All of the above.
Answer: They become rigid.
Question 6. Which among the following is the characteristics of polymers? A. High tensile strength. B. High coefficient of friction. C. Low density. D. All of these.
Answer: Low density.
Question 7. How is Ester produced? A. Addition polymerization. B. Condensation polymerization. C. Substitutional polymerization. D. None of these.
Answer: Condensation polymerization.
Question 8. Which among the following is a type of a destructive test? A. Magnetic particle test. B. Cupping test. C. Dye penetrant. D. All of the above.
Answer: Cupping test.
Question 9. What is meant by resilience in stress-strain curve? A. Area in the plastic region. B. Area in the elastic region. C. Area in elastic and plastic region. D. None of the above.
Answer: area in the elastic region.
Question 10. Non-destructive testing is used to determine A. Location of defects. B. Chemical composition. C. Corrosion of metal. D. All of these.
Answer: all of these.
Question 11. Which among the following is not a type of non-destructive testing? A. Compression test. B. Visual testing. C. Ultrasonic testing. D. Eddy current testing.
Answer: compression test.
Question 12. Identify the type of destructive testing. A. Radiographic test. B. Dye-penetrant test. C. Creep test. D. All of the above.
Answer: creep test.
Question 13. Which among the following is the last step in magnetic particle test method? A. Observation and inspection. B. Circular magnetization. C. Demagnetization. D. Magnetization.
Answer: demagnetization.
Question 14. Which of the following statements are true for ultrasonic test? A. Equipment used for ultrasonic testing is portable. B. Complicated shapes can be easily scanned. C. Waves generated are health hazardous. D. All the above statements are true.
Answer: equipment used for ultrasonic testing is portable.
Question 15. Before compacting the metals, which process is annealed to remove the effects of cold working? A. Machining. B. Crushing. C. Shotting. D. All of these.
Answer: shotting.
Question 16. Which of the following statements is true for green density? A. Green density increases when particle strength increases. B. Green density decreases when compacting speed decreases. C. Green density increases when compaction pressure increases. D. Green density decreases when apparent density increases.
Answer: green density increases when compaction pressure increases.
Question 17. Which among the following is a paramagnetic material? A. Iron. B. Cobalt. C. Nickel. D. Aluminium.
Answer: aluminum.
Question 18. Which type of materials exhibit magnetism only in presence of an electric field? A. Diamagnetic materials. B. Paramagnetic materials. C. Ferromagnetic materials. D. None of the above.
Answer: Paramagnetic materials.
Question 19. When magnetic field is removed, which type of materials maintain magnetic properties? A. Ferromagnetic materials. B. Diamagnetic materials. C. Paramagnetic materials. D. All of the above.
Answer: Ferromagnetic materials.
Question 20. The materials are continuously magnetized throughout the operation in A. DC applications. B. AC applications. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: AC applications.
Question 21. Which type of materials are used as bridges between human tissues and metals? A. Polymeric biomaterials. B. Ceramic biomaterials. C. Metallic biomaterials. D. All of these.
Answer: Metallic biomaterials.
Question 22. Which of the following statements are true for cold working process? 1. Cold working process does not provide good surface finish. 2. Cold working process produces internal stress in a metal. 3. Fatigue strength of metals can be improved. 4. Cold working process cannot take place below recrystallization temperature. A. Statement 1 and Statement 2. B. Statement 2 and Statement 3. C. Statement 3 and Statement 4. D. All the above statements are true.
Answer: Statement 2 and Statement 3.
Question 23. Why are internal stresses not produced in hot working process? A. Microstructures undergo distortion. B. Hot working process do not undergo recrystallization. C. Hot working process undergo recrystallization. D. None of the above.
Answer: Hot working process undergo recrystallization.
Question 24. What is meant by Frenkel defect? A. Defect in which interstitial position is occupied by missing atoms. B. Defect in which positive and negative ions are missing. C. Defect in which interstitial position is occupied by extra atom in the crystal without disorganizing the parent atom. D. None of the above.
Answer: Defect in which interstitial position is occupied by missing atoms.
Question 25. When are the slip lines observed? A. After plastic deformation. B. Before plastic deformation. C. After mechanical working. D. After annealing.
Answer: After plastic deformation.
Question 26. Which type of composite materials the sandwich panels are? A. Structural. B. Fibre reinforced. C. Particle reinforced. D. None of the above.
Answer: structural.
Question 27. Which of the following statements is true? A. Ceramic materials have low melting point. B. Porcelain is used as insulating material in spark plugs. C. Graphite is viscoelastic in nature. D. Compacting iron oxide powder ceramic tools are prepared.
Answer: porcelain is used as insulating material in spark plugs.
Question 28. Which among the following rubbers are used for automobile tyres? A. Only polyurethane rubbers. B. Only butadiene rubbers. C. Both polyurethane and butadiene are used. D. None of these.
Answer: both polyurethane and butadiene are used.
Question 29. What is the byproduct formed by the condensation of methyl alcohol and acetic acid to form ester? A. Water. B. Hydrogen. C. Oxygen. D. None of the above.
Answer: water.
Question 30. Which materials can be used to manufacture elastomers? A. Limestone. B. Petroleum. C. Alcohol. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 31. What is the effect of temperature on stiffness of a metal? A. Temperature has no effect on stiffness of a metal. B. As temperature increases, stiffness of metal decreases. C. As temperature increases, stiffness of metal increases. D. None of the above.
Answer: as temperature increases, stiffness of metal decreases.
Question 32. What is meant by malleability? A. Metals undergo plastic deformation under compressive stresses. B. Metals can be drawn into wires. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: metals undergo plastic deformation under compressive stresses.
Question 33. What is meant by ductility? A. Metals can be drawn into sheets. B. Metals undergo elastic deformation under tensile loads. C. Metals undergo plastic deformation under tensile loads. D. All of the above.
Answer: metals undergo plastic deformation under tensile loads.
Question 34. Which of the following statements are true? A. In tensile specimens, necking is observed in brittle fractures. B. Cup and cone formation characterizes ductile fractures. C. Stress in brittle fractures increases during cracking. D. All the above.
Answer: cup and cone formation characterizes ductile fractures.
Question 35. Erichsen cupping test is known as A. Creep test, B. Torsion test, C. Fatigue test, D. Formability test.
Answer: formability test.
Question 36. During radiography test, which region absorbs less radiation and transmits more? A. Low and high density regions absorb and transmit same amount of radiation. B. High density region. C. Low density region. D. None of the above.
Answer: low density region.
Question 37. Which test is used to determine dimensions of any object? A. Ultrasonic test, B. Torsion test, C. Eddy current test, D. All of these tests can be used to determine dimensions of any object.
Answer: eddy current test.
Question 38. Eddy current test is used to detect A. Cracks, B. Hardness, C. Conductivity, D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 39. In which type of test the capillary action principle is used? A. Probe test, B. Bend liquid test, C. Dye penetrant test, D. None of the above.
Answer: dye penetrant test.
Question 40. Which test can be performed without skilled labour? A. Dye penetrant testing, B. Visual testing, C. Ultrasonic testing, D. Magnetic particle test.
Answer: dye penetrant testing.
Question 41. At critical speed of rotation, ball mill rotates at A. High speed, B. Low speed, C. Neither slow nor very high speed, D. None of the above.
Answer: neither slow nor very high speed.
Question 42. Which of the following statements are true? A. Reduction method produces iron powders which are perfectly spherical. B. Drawback of high oxide formation in shotting processes can be reduced with use of inert gases. C. At certain temperature and pressure carbonyl of metal decomposes to give water and metal. D. All of the above.
Answer: drawback of high oxide formation in shotting processes can be reduced with use of inert gases.
Question 43. What is meant by atomization? A. Process of disintegrating molten metal into small particles by use of compressed air. B. Process of fusing small particles of metals into molten mass by water. C. None of the above.
Answer: process of disintegrating molten metal into small particles by use of compressed air.
Question 44. In physico-chemical processes, which factors affect reduction method? A. Size of particles. B. Shape of materials. C. Reducing agent. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 45. Different conditions favoring electrode deposition are: A. Low current density. B. High temperature. C. High viscosity. D. All of these.
Answer: high viscosity.
Question 46. Which of the following statements is a false? A. Temperature lower than 157 oC is cryogenic temperature. B. Impact test measures notch toughness. C. Nickel-based steels are used for low-temperature applications. D. All the above statements are false.
Answer: temperature lower than 157 oC is cryogenic temperature.
Question 47. Biosensors are used in: A. Medical field. B. Agricultural field. C. Pollution monitoring. D. All of the above.
Answer: all of the above.
Question 48. What is meant by nil ductility transition temperature NDT? A. Metal gets transformed from brittle to ductile phase. B. Metal gets transformed from ductile to brittle phase. C. Metal gets transformed from malleable to ductile phase. D. Metal gets transformed from elastic to ductile phase.
Answer: metal gets transformed from ductile to brittle phase.
Question 49. What is the effect of high temperatures on material properties? A. Loss of cohesive strength. B. Increase in stiffness. C. Increase in hardness. D. All of the above.
Answer: loss of cohesive strength.
Question 50. What causes transformation of deformed martensite into austenite phase? A. Heating. B. Cooling. C. Both A and B. D. All of the above.
Answer: heating.
Question 51. What is meant by low-angle boundary? A. Low-angle boundary represents a boundary between crystalline region and its surroundings. B. Low-angle boundary is a surface defect which has angular misorientation between the grains. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: low-angle boundary is a surface defect which has angular misorientation between the grains.
Question 52. Which process is used to remove internal stresses from a metal? A. Annealing. B. Cold working. C. both A and B, D. None of the above.
Answer: annealing.
Question 53. Select the correct option which shows mechanical property of ceramic materials. A. Non-crystalline ceramics become brittle below recrystallization temperature. B. At high temperatures, ceramics have favorable properties. C. Ceramic products are resistant to oxidation. D. Ceramics can be used as a moderator.
Answer: non-crystalline ceramics become brittle below recrystallization temperature.
Question 54. Ceramics having nuclear applications can be used as A. Moderators. B. Controls. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: both A and B.
Question 55. Which of the following statements is a false? 1. Ball indenter in Rockwell hardness test is made of diamond. 2. Braille indenter in Rockwell hardness test is made of diamond. 3. Micro hardness test is used to measure hardness of thin brittle materials. A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. All the statements are false.
Answer: only 1.
Question 56. What does primary creep and creep curve indicate? A. Due to down deformation, resistance of metal increases. B. Due to down deformation, resistance of metal decreases. C. It represents high strain rate. D. It represents creep at constant rate.
Answer: due to down deformation, resistance of metal increases.
Question 57. What are the metal requirements to have creep resistance property? A. Low melting point. B. High oxidation resistance. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: high oxidation resistance.
Question 58. Which type of microscope is used to determine particle diameter between 10 to 0.001? A. Optical microscope. B. Electron microscope. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above.
Answer: electron microscope.
Question 59. What is meant by specific surface? A. Surface per unit volume. B. Surface per unit weight. C. Surface weight per unit area. D. None of the above.
Answer: surface area per unit weight.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.